Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss reduction potential diagrams. The reduction potential diagrams gives the compact picture of potential data and the relative stabilities of compound in which one element exists in series of different oxidation number. There are three such diagrams. First one is Latimer diagram, second one is Frost diagram, third one is Pourbaix diagram. So now we are going to discuss what is Latimer diagram. The silent feature of Latimer diagram is different species give in a Latimer diagram have arrow in between them and E0 values involving two different adjacent species are written over the arrow. Second silent feature is the oxidation state of the element concert is written under the species. Third feature is the species having element in highest oxidation is written on the extreme left. It is important. And the species having element in the lowest oxidation state is written on extreme right. On proceeding from left to right in a Latimer diagram, the oxidation state of element goes on decreasing. Now just see the Latimer diagram of chlorine. So just see in this diagram, in this species ClO4 minus, chlorine exhibit +7 oxidation state, while at the end of extreme right Cl minus is written, and in Cl minus chlorine exhibit lowest oxidation state, that is -1. So it is highest oxidation state which is written on extreme left, and lowest oxidation state of your species is written on extreme right. Now just see in acidic medium we have ClO4 minus gives ClO5 minus. In this species oxidation state of chlorine is +5. During this change +1.2 volt electrode potential is required. From this species to up to this species electrode volt potential is 1.18 volt. From here to here it is 1.65 volt. From here to here it is +1.67 volt, and from Cl2 to Cl minus it is 1.36 volt. Now from this data we can write reduction half reaction of the reduction half reaction for the changes in above Latimer diagram can be written as follow. So from ClO4 minus to ClO3 there is oxidation number changes from +7 to +5. So it simply means of gain of 2 electron taking place. So by gain of 2 electron is written here. To balance out the reaction we taking the help of H plus ion and water molecule. In similar fashion we can write following reaction. So +5 to +3 oxidation state, it means that gain of 2 electron. So gain of 2 electron is written here. From +3 to +1 again gain of 2 electron is taking place. So in next reaction also we are write HClO2, 2 electron give you HClO, and to balance out reaction we taking the help of H plus and water molecule. in this case from +1 to 0 oxidation state, 1 electron get, it is the 1 electron change. So 1 electron is basically taken by this species, which is written here. Now student get confused. Here is 2 electron is written. Just see, we write 2 molecule of this species. That's why it is multiplied by 2. And from chlorine to Cl minus, 1 electron is taking. So that's why it is 2, because it is written for 2 chlorine. 1 chlorine molecule give you 2 chloride ions. So now in basic solution, this is the Latimer diagram, and for that diagram we can write reduction half cell reaction. So from here to here, 2 electron changes, 2 electron is taken by this species, and then it is converted to this. From here to here, 2 electron is basically taken by this species and it is converted to this. From here to here, 2 electron is taken by this species and it is converted to this. From here to here, 1 electron is taken by this species and it is converted to Cl2. From here to here, again 1 electron is taken by this species and it is converted to this. Now what is the application of Latimer diagram? It is used in prediction of disproportionation of species. With the help of Latimer diagram, we can predict whether a given species will disproportionate or not into lower and oxidation state. How it can be done? Now we are going to see. Just see, in this Latimer diagram, your M plus is present into +1 oxidation state. Now we have to decide, thus M plus disproportionate or not. If E2 minus E1 is positive, then only M plus is disproportionated into M2 plus and M0. It simply means that E2 should be greater than E1. So now we are going to solve some numerical based on Latimer diagram. So with the help of Latimer diagram of oxygen given below, predict whether H2O2 will undergo disproportionate to give O2 and H2O or not. So just see, in this case, this is the Latimer diagram which is given. Now simply see E2 value and E1 value. From these two values, we see that E2 value is greater than E1. So it simply means that H2O2 disproportionate into water and oxygen. So how it is going to be solved? So we have to write half cell reaction, reduction half cell reaction for this. So from here to here, from O2 0 oxidation state to -1 oxidation state, gain of 1 electron. From -1 oxidation state to -2 oxidation state, again gain of 1 electron. So oxygen written in molecular form O2. That's why it is this electron is multiplied by 2. So for this, E value is 0.70 and for this E value is 1.76 volt, which is given. So now we have to subtract E2 minus E1, this value comes as a positive. It simply means that E2 is greater than E1, hence disproportionation taking place. Now we are going to solve second numerical with the help of Latimer diagram given below. Predict ClO3, that is this, will undergo disproportionation to give ClO4 minus and SClO2. So just see, it is your E2 and this is your E1. This is your E2 0, this is your E1 0. So simply see the value of E2 and E1. The value of E2 is 1.18 while E1 is 1.20. So E2 is less than E1. It simply means that disproportionation reaction does not occur because difference is negative. Latimer diagram is also helped to calculate E0 value, that is standard reduction potential for any not adjacent couple. The formula for the calculating E0 value for the reduction of one species to other is E0 is equal to H1E10 plus H2E20 divided by N plus 2, N1 plus N2. So now we are going to solve this. It should be N1, this should be N2. So your formula is E0 is equal to N1 multiplied by E10 plus N2 multiplied by E20 divided by N1 plus N2, where N1 and N2 are electrons. So we are going to solve numerical based on this formula. Latimer diagram for chlorine in acidic medium is given as follow. We have to calculate E0 value for ClO4 minus SClO2 couple. So basically we have to find value of ClO4 minus to your SClO2 couple. Secondly, we have to find E0 value for SClO2 to Cl minus couple. So how we are going to solve this problem? First of all, we have to write that portion from the diagram for which we have to calculate couple. So from this we write ClO4 minus gives ClO3 minus gives SClO2. Now we have to calculate oxidation number or how much electron changes occur. So in this case we clear cut see that oxidation state from +7 to +5 going to be happen. So it is 2 electron gain by this species, and from here to here there is 2 electron change. So we write reduction half cell reaction. So this is the reduction half cell reaction for your this to this, and it is the reduction half cell reaction from this to this. So in this reaction number of electron is 2. In this reaction also number of electron is 2. So our formula is E0 is equal to N1 E10 plus N2 E20 divided by N1 plus N2. So 2 multiply by 1.20, that is E1, plus 2 multiply by E2, that is 1.18, divided by N1 plus N2, that is 2 plus 2. When we solve this, we got value 1.19 volt. So value for ClO4 minus SClO2 couple is 1.19 volt. So we are now going to calculate value for SClO2 Cl minus couple. So we write that reaction here, and now we have to check how many electron changes happening in the reactions. So from here to here it is 2 electron change. From here to here it is 1 electron, from here to here it is 2 electron change. From here to here it is zero oxidation state, so it is 1 electron change. But student should note it, for balancing your reaction we multiply this by 2. So basically here is 2 electron is taking part. Now from here to here also 1 electron change, but to balance your reduction half cell reaction we multiply this with 2 because molecule of fluorine is used. So total number of electron during this to this conversion is 6. So now we are going to calculate couple value of SClO2 Cl minus. The formula is N1E10 plus N2E20 plus N3E30 divided by N1 plus N2 plus N3. Just see, value of N1 is 2, value of N2 is also 2, and value of N3 is also 2. So by putting all the value, couple value is obtained as 1.56 volt. In our next class, we are going to see Frost diagram and some numericals depend on Frost diagram. Thank you very much.